together. As a family we join hands together, lifting praises to the Father above for sending His Son. We've chosen together as a family to serve Him forever, knowing nothing else will matter in time. We made up our minds. Through the heat of the day, we will join in the fight till He takes us away, till the faith becomes sight. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Choose you this day, tell me who will you serve. Let nothing stand in your way, give the praise He deserves. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. We'll serve Him, we'll serve Him, we'll serve Him, for He's worthy. Serve Him, we'll serve Him, we'll serve Him, for He's worthy. Choose you this day, tell me who will you serve. Let nothing stand in your way, give the praise He deserves. As for me